Hello all. This video presents an idea and a working prototype of a safe and collaborative robot for healthcare. We are a team of researchers working on human-robot interaction with Dr. Pradipta Biswas in the I3D lab of CPDM department in Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. The main motivation for this work comes from the recent COVID-19 healthcare crisis faced by the world. More than 1,500 doctors lost their lives in India only. When all the people of the world were confined to their homes, the doctors and the healthcare workers had to take care of patients for prolonged hours with a constant threat to their own health and safety. Shortage of skilled medical staff and overwhelming number of patients inflow in a pandemic situation puts more pressure on a already crumbling healthcare infrastructure. A lot of deaths could have been avoided by limiting the unnecessary doctor-patient contact like vital measurements, for example, temperature, blood pressure, and oxygen measurements. Modern robotics and product design can be leveraged to provide an ergonomic, remote, and contactless vital measurement system which can reduce human effort, improve overall efficiency of the health workers while ensuring his or her safety. As a global market, medical robotic systems are increasingly being adopted as assistive and rehabilitation technologies with an expected five-fold growth by 2026. The idea is to design and develop a remotely controlled robot for safe and contactless medical checkup of patients in a healthcare setup. The goal is to ensure safety of doctors and healthcare professionals by minimizing physical contact and maintaining social distance. The system should be affordable, easy to learn, and adapt to the present healthcare infrastructure. The proposed idea makes use of the standard commercially available medical devices like thermal gun, pulse oximeter, etc. An affordable 3D printed robotic manipulator with a multi-index gripper was designed to mount various modules like thermal gun module, the camera and torch module. The modules are mechanical linkages with gears and cam profiles to operate the device like a human would do. A patent has been applied for the design of the multi-index gripper. When assembled, the multi-index gripper is attached as the end effector of a 3D printed 5 degree of freedom robotic arm, and the cobot box which houses the wrist blood pressure monitor module and the SpO2 module is ergonomically placed at an angle of 45 degree beside the robot. To provide a smooth interaction between the medical practitioner and the proposed system, a multimodal user interface with visually aesthetic icons and buttons was designed. The user interface provides a natural and intuitive control of the robot arm on a computer, tablet, or a smartphone. The doctors can control the robotic end effector using the four-way control, or they can go directly for a visual checkup or a BP monitor by using the dedicated icons. There is also a safety algorithm in place which keeps a track of the human and avoids any kind of collision. The UI can be controlled with eye gaze, gesture, speech, or a combination of these, or just a mouse and keyboard. The design process comprised of multiple iterations and tests in a simulated healthcare environment created in Unity 3D. The video shows an operator using Oculus Rift VR headset and the VR controllers to control a VR model of the robot in virtual reality. This video shows a working prototype of the proposed idea. The doctor can use it to take temperatures. Then the screenshot of the temperature taken is shared and stored in the computer. The doctor can switch over to visual inspection where they can do visual throat and mouth inspection, or they can do a visual eye inspection. All the pictures and the snapshots can be taken and recorded by the system. This video shows a healthcare professional using the proposed system to take the temperature and do the visual inspection of a patient in the health center of the institute. Now, the healthcare professional is validating our system as a patient by giving his SpO2 measurement and thank you.